In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can recover deleted emails on your Gmail account. You can simply get back deleted messages from your Gmail account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Gmail app. On this page, tap on these three lines. Scroll onto the Settings option. On this page, tap on this first option right here. Then select your Info, Privacy, and Security. On this page, scroll onto the option of Data and Privacy. You will have to tap on the option of Data from apps and services that you use. In this section, scroll down onto the option of Download your data. On this page, scroll down and tap right here on Next Step. Then after select Create Export. Your account data will be sent to you via email. You will have to further download it and you will see a section of data information of deleted emails. That's how easy it is to see deleted messages on your Gmail account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.